Welcome to BaytBushra. I'm Bushra and this is my home. Today I'm going to give you a sample lesson on what my live pre-recorded lessons will look like on this page, on this channel, and on my website. So I'd love for you guys to sit down, get your notebooks, get a pen or a pencil, and you're going to be learning Arabic with me today. The first question I want to ask you before we get started is كيفك? 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 كيفك. You can respond, and you can pause, and repeat out loud. You should be pausing and repeating out loud as many times as you need to get the pronunciation. And this is just kind of a sample of what it looks like to be in my live classes. This is going to be very, very minimal editing because I want you guys to feel like you're in the classroom with me in my live classes. So, كيفك, كيفك means how are you to a man? How are you to a guy? كيفك with the A spelling. كيفك. And if you want to ask a girl, you say كيفك, كيفك, كيفك. So you see the English spelling a little bit different there. And the writing in Arabic is going to look the same. كيفك. And a good response is just to say أنا بخير. أنا بخير, I'm doing good. I am in good. أنا بخير. This is the style that I like to teach with. It's called comprehensible input. You can look into that if you like on your own, comprehensible input. It's a way that children acquire language naturally. So we're trying to mimic that. مين had. مين had. مين had. had بشرى. إيه أو لا. You tell me. إيه أو لا. had بشرى. لا. لا. أنا بشرى. أنا بشرى. had Spider-Man. Pause before I read if you'd like to practice your reading skills, and then you can listen to me say it. Had Spider-Man. Spider-Man. مين had. مين had. had بشرى. إيه أو لا. لا. had Spider-Man. إيه أو لا. لا. had Iron Man. Iron Man. Iron Man. had Iron Man. تمام. مين hey. مين hey. مين hey. Why is there a new word now? Before you had this word had, and now you have this word hey. Mean hey. That's right. Arabic is a gendered language. You have masculine and feminine objects, masculine and feminine words. So this hey and had both mean this. Mean hey. Hey بشرى. إيه أو لا. لا. Hey Spider-Man. إيه أو لا. 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 Hey Iron Man. إيه أو لا. لا. Hey Barbie. Hey Barbie. اسمها Barbie. مين hey. Hey بشرى. إيه أو لا. لا. Hey Spider-Man. إيه أو لا. لا. Hey Barbie. إيه أو لا. لا. Hey قطة. 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 I teach Levantine Syrian Arabic on this channel and on my website. So I will write قطة with the qaf, and I will say قطة with the hamza sound. Hey قطة. قطة. Hey قطة. Meow. So this is what you just saw. Okay, in my lessons, this is a very quick lesson just to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Okay, in my actual lessons, the lessons are much slower, which reminds me I need to slow down. The lessons are much slower, and there's a lot of repetition, and there's a lot of reading from my students. So you get all of that practice from you. If you didn't guess already through the story, had Spider-Man, had ولد, had Harry Potter, had Iron Man. Had goes with masculine masculine objects or subjects. Masculine. Okay, had is for masculine. There's no verb. You do not need a verb for this word. You're just saying this phone, this book, this television, this Spider-Man, this Iron Man. The verb to be is implied in the middle and does not need to be written, which is really cool. The other equivalent here is hey. Hey. Hey Bushra. أنا بشرى. Hey Bushra. Hey Bushra. Hey Barbie. Hey قطة. Hey, I don't know. What else is a feminine person? Hermione. Hey Hermione. تمام. اسم. I'm giving you a new word. اسم. أنا بشرى. Hey بشرى. أنا بشرى. اسمي بشرى. اسمي بشرى. اسمي بشرى. Okay? So, in my lessons, I always tell my students, because I have students from different levels in the same class, right? There's like cohorts, small groups of students who can learn Arabic together and make friends who are also learning Arabic. I tell my students, you do not need to know the meaning for every single word. If you like, you can go back and check the meaning for every single word so you can gain more vocabulary and use that as a study tool. However, when you're listening to someone say something, or let's say you're watching a movie for the first time, or you're listening to a story, your friend is telling a story, you're not going to get every single word every single time. This is true in every language, even if you're native in that language. Your friend says a word in English you've never heard before, you can learn that word using the context clues around the word. Okay, so you're not going to need everything here. You're not going to learn everything here, but you can guess and you can come back and you can study as long as you get the general understanding, comprehension of the story. had رجل. اسم had الرجل Mr. Incredible. اسم had الرجل. I wonder if I can move my little bubble. اسم had الرجل Mr. Incredible. اسمي بشرى. أنا بشرى. اسمي بشرى. اسم هذا الرجل Mr. Incredible. had ولد. الرجل كبير. الرجل كبير. الولد صغير. had ولد. اسم had الولد dash. اسم had الولد dash. had بوبو. had بوبو. Oh baby. Some dialects say baby, some dialects say بوبو. I'm sure you know what that means. had بوبو. had بوبو. Some people say baby, like I was telling you. And the Fusha word, the MSA classical Arabic word is طفل. So I've given you 3 different vocabularies for the same meaning. بوبو. هذا بوبو. baby أو طفل. هذا طفل. بوبو. اسم هاد البوبو. اسم هاد الطفل جاك. اسم هاد الطفل جاك. اسم هاد الولد داش. اسم هاد الرجل Mr. Incredible. تمام. بنت. أنا بنت. هاي بنت. ولد بنت. ولد بنت. اسم هاي البنت Violet. اسم هاي البنت Violet. This is a very beginner class. This is something I would give my beginner classes, okay? اسم هاي البنت Violet. I can put these words together, هاي البنت, and make it shorter and say اسمها Violet. اسمها Violet. And this is going into the possessive endings. اسمها, her name. Her name. اسمي, my name. اسمه dash. اسمها Violet. Okay, I'm not going to move my photo because when I move my photo, all of the this everything moves around. So listen, you have this cute photo. في بنت, هاي بنت, had كلب, ما بعرف, وحش. We're gonna say this is a بنت and this is a ولد. I know Stitch is not a boy, he's a monster, but you're gonna use him as a ولد, okay? هاي بنت had ولد. Okay, and tell me about the photo. Write your sentences in the comment section below in Arabic. I want to see you practicing Arabi in the comments. I'll be there to respond and to check your answers and to check your spelling and to check how you're doing. So this is a perfect place for you to practice your Arabic skills. I'll read these words for you from right to left. Al-binit, al-binit, al-bint. Also people say al-bint, al-binit, al-walad, al-walad. اسم, اسم, اسمي بشرى, اسمها Lilo. You make it, if you don't know these characters, you can just make up a name. Okay, make up names. It's not important. اسم البنت, or you can say اسمها, اسمها. I'm on the blue and red, a blue and black word. اسمها, اسمها. At the bottom you have had and hey. Had and hey. And in less than 15 minutes, you guys have learned over 10 vocabulary words, at least 5. Had, hey, البنت, الولد, اسم. So I hope you can practice Arabi. I'm so excited to see all of your comments underneath. Tell me about the picture and then take it one step further and tell me about your family. Tell me about your friends. Tell me about their names. That's your homework. If you don't actually want to write it down, you can make up names. If you want to write it in your own notebook, it doesn't matter as long as you are practicing. And I can't wait to see you in my next lesson. شكرا كتير ومع السلامة.